Welcome, people. So I don't know if you guys been following this story about this gospel artist Chozenn that recreate a song, a sexual explicit song by Dovey Magnum, and it is now banned according to Onstage. We have the snips of Onstage and we're gonna come back.
Chozenn's adaptation of the sexually charged Ball Out is meant to inject the Holy Ghost in any experience the song generates for its consumers.
The Lord deposited this song, poof, like a breadfruit in my spirit, it just dropped, boof.
But Jamaica's leading gospel radio platform, Love 101 FM, will not have it. The station this week placed a ban on the track after it had been on the playlist for a while. Station supervisor Nadine Blair is quoted as saying that the song presents a clear and present danger to the spiritual well-being of Christians who are weak in the faith. She also asserts that there seems to be a split in public opinion on whether the song can actually bring souls to Christ.
As you can see, the song is now banned. This is a big joke. This is the biggest joke I've ever seen, because they're saying that this, according to what she's saying, is the song is clear and present danger. Clear and present danger to whom? So you're telling me that Christians are that vulnerable to hearing a song that is transformed into a religious song, and they're gonna be clear and present danger for them to get into sexual activities? So what if they hear the real version? People, and that's what I'm saying. These people, I don't know what really is Christianity, because if Christians are so vulnerable to hear a song that is converted into a gospel song for them to really reach God in a different way, and they're taking it as something that is harmful, people, then what really is Christianity? On what grounds these people are standing on? They're not standing on solid grounds. You know what I mean? Because if they're so vulnerable, it makes no sense. And for them to ban the song makes complete no sense. It makes no sense. This song should be played. It's just, people, it's just shocking to know that they banned this song, because the guy said this song was, as he said, was dropping in, just drop into his soul just like a breadfruit. You know what I mean? But it's just surprising to know that they really banned this song. You know what I mean? Big up to Chozenn still. You see me? Peace. I'm out.
Ignore what you're feeling. Your purpose God revealing. Don't stop. Push on. Me show love cause I got in me. Words of wisdom busting on me. Lead me and lead greatness in me. No lack God provide for me. Lord, oh you want so good. You shame the devil, me know you're good. Me can't hold it. Jesus, me can't hold it. You name me a ball out. I be killing me a fi call out. Sweet Holy Spirit, you're so good to me. King Jesus love me. Me no shame, me a call out. Jesus name me ball out. Sweet Holy Spirit, you're so good to me. I know Jesus love me. Growing up, me never seen no mommy. Regular me ask granny, hey daddy. She 15 away. I'm if I tell you about hungry. Man go through some real struggle, real dead pain. The way me stressed out is like me going insane. Mentally, physically, emotionally, literally, I don't know what to do. You see right now, but see I swear me I swear. Like Ryan Mark, I swear me I swear. Every day, Fat House, Redlands and Portmore. Next year, me I go buy couple more. You name me a ball out. I be killing me a fi call out. Sweet Holy Spirit, you're so good to me. King Jesus love me. Me no shame, me a call out. Jesus name me ball out. Sweet Holy Spirit, you're so good to me. I know Jesus love me. Me show love cause I got in me. Words of wisdom busting on me. Lead me and lead greatness in me. No lack God provide for me. Lord, oh you want so good. You shame the devil, me know you're good. Me can't hold it. Jesus, me can't hold it. You name from a place where them write you up and say nah become nothing in life. Me used to name porridge breakfast, lunch and dinner. Real talk. Remember when me used to go Frankfield Primary at Clarendon. Them cuss me say me nah become nothing in life. But by the grace of the living God, me a call out. Jesus name me ball out.